distinguishes the ideas as the research grows. Public speaking shines and the confidence flows.
See these images. If I say I really understand her feeling, what will you call it? Empathy. And I take action to relieve her suffering. Is it compassion? Yes. Now in the second image, all of them are happy, enjoying their life and also helping each other. This is what we all should do. This is all about empathy and compassion. Empathy is shown in how much compassion and understanding we can give to another. Hello all, I'm Rushda and I'm 13 years old. An understanding of other people's feelings, especially their problems, is it when you feel bad for someone who is going through something hard. The ability to feel sympathy for others is a great part of what makes us human and what compels us and reach out and offer help. I'll give you one example for better understanding of sympathy and empathy. Consider your friend is slapped by his mother and you feel sad for him, so it's sympathy. Or in the same way, you have been also slapped by your mother, so you can feel the same pain, how your friend is feeling. So it's empathy. One terminology having extreme empathy is synesthesia. Synesthesia is when you hear music, but you see shapes, or you hear a word or a name and instantly see a color. Synesthesia is a fancy name for when you experience one of your senses through another. For example, you might hear the name Alex and see green, or you might read the word street and taste citrus fruit. The word synesthesia has Greek roots. It translates to previous together. People who have this ability are called synesthetes. Synesthesia isn't a disease or a disorder. It won't harm your health, and it doesn't mean you're mentally ill. Some studies suggested people who have this ability may do better on memory and intelligence tests than those who don't. Now you all can see this lemon. I'll squeeze it. Do you feel a sour taste in your mouth while watching me tasting it? This is what mirror touch synesthesia is. In this world, 1 to 2% of people can feel sensation on the skin while watching someone else be touched, a phenomenon linked with empathy and known as mirror touch synesthesia. Instead of black text, they may see it another color. Some may experience taste while seeing another person eating or drinking. Marilyn Monroe, Vladimir Nabokov, and Vincent van Gogh are among a growing list of famous people believed to have been synesthetes. An understanding of other people's feeling is a great work and to help them to overcome from it. Now I like to call my friend Anjani. Yes. Imagine this paper as a person. You say something to him or her in an aggressive manner.
You're too rude. You're so bad. Okay?
Yes. Come on. Can you give this one? This happens to someone when you say something bad to someone. And after some time, you try to persuade that person. But the wrinkles can't be removed. In anger, we hurt someone by words. As we say, words hurt more than weapons. Even I did this. After 5 to 7 minutes, I realized what I have done. I'll tell you my story. My exams were going to start and also my notes were not properly completed. I was angry on myself and too stressed. Suddenly, someone knocked on the door. Opened the door and saw my friend was there. She asked, "Will you like to play?" I thought for a minute and said, "I'll play for 20 minutes. Then we started deciding which game we should play. She suggested hide and seek and I disagreed with her. I said, "We'll play hopscotch." She said, "It's fine, but please can we play hide and seek first?" I said, "I don't want to play with you," in an aggressive manner and some more things that hurt her. After a while, I came home. I realized. I went to her and asked her to please forgive me. She said, "It's fine." Now I really don't know that she has forgiven me or not. Maybe for that moment they may forgive you, but it takes time to forget. In anger, we don't think what we are saying to an individual, and thinking should be most in anger. Why we get angry? We get angry for many different reasons. It might be a difficult situation we are experiencing, or we might get angry how we interpret and react to certain situations, and also from stress, family problems, and problems come across while studying. How we can control our anger? First, we should take deep breath. Can you all do this with me? Take a deep breath, hold, and release. Imagine a relaxing scene or a word that can relax you. You can also do some physical activities and also you can listen to music. Everyone has their way to relax themselves, but the point is make yourself calm at that moment. Let's empathize, not sympathize. Sometimes controlling your anger can save a person from going into depression. Remember, words hurt more than weapons. Thank you.